OPPO just launched a new pair of truly wireless earphones, the Enco Free along with the Reno 3 Pro. Now I've been spending some time with these earphones and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts, my impressions of the Enco Free with you. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and if you do end up liking what you see in this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Let's now get this video started. Now before we start with my thoughts on the Enco Free, let's get back to that big box that we were taking a look at in the Reno 3 Pro unboxing. Now if you've not seen that video, here's a card to that, go ahead check it out right now. So we have a plain white box for the Enco Free, branding on the front and sides, some of the specs highlighted to the back as expected. Let's now slice through that protective plastic. Opening up the box, the first thing inside is this envelope. It contains a quick start guide and a warranty card. Underneath that, we have the Enco Free in their matte black case. There's a pull tab this time. Let's remove the plastic and get a better look. There's a silver accent right down the middle with OPPO etched on it. There's a button to the right and a USB Type-C port at the bottom. Flipping the lid open, we find the two earphones here in the cradle. While they kinda resemble AirPods, they have soft rubber tips at the ends for better comfort. OPPO also include a couple of other sizes, a medium and large. Now with either of these tips installed, the Enco Free goes from being partially in-ear like the AirPods to being fully in-ear, making for a better seal a la AirPods Pro. OPPO also includes a little USB Type-A to Type-C cable for charging. Coming back to the Enco Free, we get three color choices, black, white and pink. I personally like the way these look. The matte finish helps keep fingerprints and smudges away, making for a premium look in my humble opinion. OPPO's used a glow-like design on the touch controls of the earphone stems. They call this an aural glow. It's definitely refreshing compared to the mundane design we've been seeing with truly wireless earphones usually. Now when it comes to the build, we have strong magnets that snap the lid shut. The earphones also attach magnetically, so the entire thing feels very robust and well engineered. Satisfying, right? This green LED you see when the lid's open, well, it turns white and starts blinking if we press and hold the button to the right. This puts the Enco Free in pairing mode, making it discoverable for any Android or iPhone in the vicinity. With OPPO phones running ColorOS 7 and above, this process should get even easier. Once paired, the Bluetooth 5.0 connection, it holds steady. I even stepped out of the room for a bit. I faced no issues. No connection drops. Talking about pairing, just like with the Buds Air from Realme, if you lose or break one of these earphones, you can just drop a replacement into the case. Press and hold the pairing button for some time to get it paired, so you don't have to end up buying a new pair all over again. Now this case here, with the earphones in, it weighs in at a little under 50 grams, so it's pretty light. I didn't even notice it in my pocket at all. The battery capacity, it's 410 mAh. It's supposed to be able to charge the 31 mAh earphones about 4 times. The headphones themselves weigh in as little as 4 grams each. Quite comfortable to wear. That said, as far as the battery life is concerned, OPPO claims the earphones should last for 5 hours of music playback and 3 hours of calls on a single charge. But their testing's at 50% volume, so expect about 3 to 4 hours-ish of mixed use. The earphones take about an hour to be charged, while a quick 10-minute charge should get us about an hour and a half of music playback. The case, on the other hand, it takes about 2 hours to go from 0 to 100. Now, while it might seem like I'm nitpicking, the Enco Free, it doesn't have wireless charging, and I really wish it did, because even the Realme Buds Air have it. Anyway, since we are talking battery, here are the battery indicators. Once paired, the LED lights on the case indicate the battery remaining in the earphones. If we take both earphones out of the case, then the LEDs start indicating the battery remaining in the case. The lights turn green, orange or red, indicating high, medium or low battery levels. Next, let's take a look at the controls, and OPPO's done a lot here. Sliding up and down on the right earphone lets us skip tracks. The same gesture on the left earphone lets us adjust the volume. There are 8 steps of volume adjustments, and there's a chime that helpfully lets us know if we max out or mute the volume. A double tap on the head of either headphone pauses or resumes music playback. During an incoming call, the double tap action can be used to pick up the call, and if you are already on a call, it can be used to end the call. OPPO's also thrown in voice assistant support. Tap and hold on to the stem of either earpiece to summon Google Assistant or Siri. There's some minimal customization of these gestures possible. I wish OPPO expands on this in the future. By the way, this customization is exclusive to select OPPO phones. What isn't exclusive though is wear detection. Now taking either earphone out stops music playback. To resume playback, we simply need to put it back on. Okay, all that's great, but what really makes or breaks earphones? Well, it's gotta be audio quality, right? At the end of the day, it's all about how it really sounds. And I think here's where OPPO have delivered. The Enco Free, they sound excellent. Personally, I didn't like the small buds, the small size, and I'm not a huge fan of the partial linear design. They didn't fit me well, but with the large tips, the seal, it was good. And thanks to the 13.4mm drivers, the Enco Free, it produces some of the best bass for this size without compromising on the mids and highs. So I really did enjoy listening to music on this one. I also tried taking a few calls with the Enco Free, and the call quality, it was good. It was nothing to complain about. People at the end did not have a problem hearing me. The primary microphone can be found at the bottom of the stem, and the shiny back houses a secondary noise cancelling mic. So there is noise cancellation for calls, not for music though. That's it. Overall, I do like what OPPO's done here. But would I recommend these Enco Free? Now that is another story. It all depends on how OPPO price it in India. As of shooting this video, as always, I do not know what the price is, but I do expect it to be priced around the 7,000 rupee mark, given it costs 699 yuan in China. Now that makes the Enco Free more expensive than something like the Realme Buds Air. The Enco Free does feel a little better, and it has heavier bass but lacks wireless charging. So to me, at 3,000 rupees over the Buds Air, it would be a tough sell unless you really wanted in-ear truly wireless or the extra bass. If yes, then the Enco Free does bring with it a lot of nice to haves and might be a pair of truly wireless earphones that serve you well. So anyway guys, by the time this video goes live, I'm sure you'd know the official price, and in case you don't, check out the description and the comments. I'll pin one with the official price. So let me know what you think of the Enco Free earphones. Do you like what OPPO's done here? What are your thoughts? Let me know via the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about it. Subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.